SE or HK416. So meron siyang 10.5 inches na front assembly, Geissele. And then meron siyang front and rear sights, folding sights. So complete markings yan, lapit mo onte brother. So guys, kompleto yung markings niya. Nakatakip lang to pero may markings dyan. Okay, so metal selector, metal trigger, polymer grip, naka-butterfly swivel for sling attachment. For the internal parts, reinforced internal parts, naka-rotary type chamber. And then, fully adjustable yung stock niya. So, 5 position. And then, mag-relay lang tayo dun sa buffer tube for battery compartment. Ang kasya sa kanya is Tutsi type battery. By the way, OOTB, ang kasama nito is LiPo battery na at saka charger. And then, may mga rail na siya for attachment, for accessory attachment. So, kasama na to, kung maglalagay kayo ng grip, maglalagay kayo ng flashlight, laser, okay. And then, for the magazine niya is 300 rounds flash magazine. So, nandito na rin yung tools niya. Ito. Yung pang-ikot niya. And then guys, may kasama na rin siyang suppressor. Ito yung suppressor niya. Ayan. So, quick release to. 6 inches. So, i-chrono check natin kung ilang FPS o OTB. Battery pala. So, yung battery niya guys, ito. Dito ilalagay. Naka-Tamiya plug siya. Okay, chrono check natin. Ilan? 411, 418. So, FPS 420 to 411. Or 410 to 420. Auto natin. Ilang RPS? 18 RPS and then FPS is around ganun pa rin. 410 to 420. Okay? So again, ENC 105 BRSE. Check nyo to guys sa folder natin sa G Drive. And kung may mga tanong kayo regarding units, PM lang kayo sa page. Thanks!